Hello everyone, this will be a quick video on how to update your personal information in UKG. So much like updating a lot of other facets of your information, this can be updated in HR Actions. So under the My HR tab of your quick links, you can go to HR Actions. You go to your available actions and then come down here to Personal Information Update. So because this is a test tutorial page, I do not have an emergency contact. And if you also don't have an emergency contact, it will prompt you to enter them. So you can click start. And then this is where you're going to change any information that might not be correct. So maybe you want to add a nickname, maybe you want to change your citation, maybe you want to update your address. There's also an update address field on the other page of HR Actions. If we entered in your birthday wrong, you have a new phone number, anything that you might want to change, this is where you're going to do it to change your personal information. And then also, if you have not, if you don't have a cell phone number, it will make you put one in. And then also, it will make you add an emergency contact. Please reach out to the HR team if you have any questions on updating this information, but this is something that you can go in and do yourself. So please let us know if you need anything else.